Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to display the chat name in the window title bar on Telegram Web using your PC. This is a simple but really useful feature, especially if you often switch between multiple chats and want to stay organized without confusion. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your chat interface, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on it to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize different aspects of your Telegram experience. Now, scroll a little until you see the option labeled Privacy and Security and click on it. Inside this section, you'll find several settings related to your account's safety and visibility. Keep scrolling until you locate the option called Show Chat Name. Once you see it, simply toggle it on. As soon as you enable this setting, Telegram will start displaying the name of the current chat directly in your browser's window title bar. This makes it much easier to identify which conversation you're in, especially when you have multiple tabs open or when you're multitasking. And that's